So let me figure this out. Who's your father? Come on. Stand up, Come on, stand up. Okay, come on. And who's your grandfather?
问就
啊？
问就
问舅。等一下，我喊，我问舅，记不了。我问舅喊。Okay, here you go. 哦，没那么抬。Not my great grandfather, then great grandfather. Okay, now, it's only fair. 你们还在往里翻吧？哦，你應該年時間都出壓嘅啦。Okay, go now. Let's see how you speak again at home or not. How do you say younger brother? Younger brother. No, I don't know. Well, we'll give you a... Hey! I heard that. How about I do this one? How do you say mom? Thank you. Congratulations. Okay, sit down. Okay, thank you very much. 来，请听话，说。Okay, 那么我的。
Okay, so we should move on with the program. There's a lot of prizes to give out. We're gonna continue with the program, and then, yeah, for now. Oh, put this back. You are going to get a lot of this the prizes now from Winnie family donation. Okay, all of you guys vừa chúng các nhà thờ vừa chọn để trao thờ vừa chỉnh để nhà thờ vừa mãn để nhà thờ cũng có. Couple of different ones, like the bigger ones, is an TV now is donated by an individual. And so the guitar is donated by one individual, and the laptop is donated by another individual. So later on, we'll be talking about that. But tuần vừa có thảo thì nó chẳng có cái donation box này sẽ cần tuần. Có người vừa này cứ có ở tuần donation mà có mình ta có donation box. It's này có cái requirement okay. But the main thing is you guys are here and you guys are enjoying this with us, with all the families.